Hello. In today's video, I'll show you how you can import Shopify's product into your WooCommerce store. So I have this local host WooCommerce store and a Shopify website with these products added here. So some of my products are variable products, and when you click different options, it changes the prices and the pictures as well. So all these options should be imported correctly into my WooCommerce store. So currently in my WooCommerce store, I have some products already added, but I want to import my Shopify products as well. So this is very simple, but the plugin is paid. So before going forward to this video, you should know that this plugin is for $20. Okay, so here are all my products in my Shopify admin. Let's export this CSV for Excel, all products, and export products. Okay, while these products are being scrapped, let's open Gmail where you receive the link. And we have the CSV for Shopify products. Let's save it in the downloads folder. Now, before importing into a WooCommerce, you should first convert this CSV to WooCommerce. Now, open a website, import WooCommerce.com, and here you will see this Shopify and Shopify to WooCommerce tool. When you click that, you will be asked for a login or buy a membership. That membership is for $20. So if you go here, you will see this tool. But if you are not logged in, then let me open this in incognito mode. You will see a website, a page with asking for login. Import WooCommerce.com and Shopify tool, and here is asking for membership. When you click join now, you can buy this membership for $15 and sign up, username, password, and checkout with PayPal. Okay, once you are on this page and you see choose a CSV file and upload and convert, then the CSV we just downloaded from WooCommerce from Shopify, just drag it here or choose a file and go to downloads, select that CSV and click on upload and convert. It will process the CSV and give you a download link for the WooCommerce CSV. So just download the WooCommerce CSV, save it in the downloads again, and come to your WooCommerce website now. Here in the products, all products section, just click on import, choose that CSV which we just downloaded for WooCommerce, the converted one, and click on continue. Now here's the mapping section. You do not have to do anything on the mapping page because we do not have anything that is not mapped except for this GTIN. If you have the GTIN, just click here, so it's also can be imported. Okay, now scroll down to the bottom and click on run importer and wait for it while it adds all these products one by one, including the images, the variations, short description, prices, and categories. Everything you have in the Shopify will be completely converted to WooCommerce CSV. While these products are adding, you can open this page in a new tab to see the products status. Okay, so here is our iPhone, which I showed you on the Shopify store, and let's see if we have this option where the images will be changed accordingly. So this is black, let's see gold, and prices are changed, but if it is in stock, black is in stock and price is 650. We come to the import progress and we have almost 40% of the products imported. Previously we had 4 products, and now if you refresh the products page, we have 22 products which are from the Shopify, and most of them are out of stock because I kept them out of stock in my Shopify store. So this is how you can import products from Shopify to WooCommerce. I hope you learned something from today's video. Please give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel and you will not miss my future videos. Thank you.